Hi guys, it's Aji. So for today's YouTube video, I'm going to show you guys this whole package that I got from Focallure for their 10th anniversary. And then I'm also going to be swatching and again reviewing their transfer-proof lippies that come with this. So let's start. Okay, so medyo iba yung setting. I'm almost done with my makeup, but I wanted to unbox this box with you guys because this is easily the nicest package I've gotten from Focallure. Like, it comes in a huge box and yeah, I'm excited. Sulat dito, transfer proof. Thank you for 10 years together, Focallure. 10 years! Also, can I just say, it's so wild that Focallure is already 10 years old, considering they've been a huge part actually, of my content creation career. Like, it's so wild to think about that the brand has been existing for so long. So, tada! They have an ambassador, Miss Sweetie. And inside, we get this cute little package. Just to be transparent, I already know the formula of these. I've tried them in a couple of TikTok videos and I've shown you guys yung comparison netong dalawa. But this time, it comes with a cute little sippy cup. Nakasulat din dito yung claims ng mga lippy. It says, transfer-proof, no trace left behind, long-lasting wear, waterproof, splash-proof formula that won't fade, and lastly, smudge-proof. They put perfection with zero budge. So, of course, we're going to test that out in this video, so let's go. You guys have seen me try these out, and I've pointed this out before, but I love that you have to twist open. Like, meron siyang parang mechanism, and that small detail makes it feel so luxe. And as per usual, I hope you guys can see, pero nakalagay yung tatak ng Focallure sa dulo ng lipstick. Again, one of the details that I really love about this lipstick. Anyway, let's go ahead and try. Let's first start with the shade PK02. So let's just do this. And as you can see, sobrang creamy niya sa lips. Like, it just glides so well. And I hope it's obvious, but the pigment is pigmenting. It's not patchy at all. It's pigmented. It's creamy. And the magic thing about this is that once it dries down, transfer-proof na siya. Anyway, this is how the shade PK02 looks like on me. Ayan siya. Sobrang ganda. Ayan o, kita nyo. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita, but over time, it definitely mattifies. Hindi siya yung parang papery feeling. It's fairly lightweight, honestly. So yeah, again, this is the shade PK02. We're back to having nothing on my lips, and this is actually a shade that I have not tried yet before. This is the shade NU04. I usually end up liking a lot of the nude shades ng Focallure, so there's no surprise if I end up liking this one as much as I do the other nude shades. If maalala nyo na swatch ko yung shade na NU01, this is kind of like that, but a little bit darker. Again, wala namang reklamo. It's like really easy to apply. This is definitely a nude brown color, but with a little bit of pinkish red mixed into it. I would say this is giving a muted rosewood, ganon. I find this to be a classy color, something you can wear when you go to an event, kapag like mga meeting, ganon. Nothing too bright. I like this, I do. I think it's really nice. And of course, since this claims to be transfer-proof, itetesting natin yon dahil hindi na para maging sinungaling ako sa inyo. Huy! Gamitin natin tong pinadala nilang sippy cup. And I'm going to use the clean side of this, okay? Wala dito. So let's test it out. Ayan yung naging transfer niya. Kita niyo yung mark ng lip ko around it, but walang color na transfer. Let's test this out again. Para kita niyo talaga nagtatouch yung lips ko. I'm pressing as hard as I can. Like, literally, ito yung transfer niya. Walang color at all. Actually, nag-transfer yung foundation sa edges ng lips ko, but the lipstick did not. And even with that transfer-proof test, kita niyo naman, the lipstick is very intact. Walang patchiness na ganap, walang breaking. Now, let's move on to the glazed shine lippies. I have the shades PK02 and PK03 dun sa box, so let's try these again. Starting off with PK02. I remember this being my MLBB color kasi it's like a really nice, not too vivid shade. So, let's try this out. It's kind of like a nudish pink, but it has enough color to really brighten your look. Especially dito sa top lip ko where my two-tone lips start to show. Kung makikita nyo, it has a glossy finish. And I can attest that this is transfer-proof. I've worn this out once and it wears so well. Doesn't feel heavy on the lips and your lips just glide together so well. So this is the shade PK02. If shade body style, this is a good recommendation because it just makes you look fresh. It adds a little bit of color to your lips without making it stand out too much. I forgot to mention this with the other one kanina, but because this is a glossy finish, not transfer proof, you do have to shake it a little bit just to get the pigments going and to really make the transfer proof formula mix into the color. Once that's done, you can finally swatch on your lip. Again, this is the shade PK03. I don't know if this is translating on camera, but this shade is definitely a little bit brighter, a little bit more vivid, and it has a lot more pinkish tones to it. But yeah, this is the shade PK03. Honestly, hindi siya yung glowy type na like high gloss, as in super plump looking, but it has a gloss, and I would describe it more as a dewy finish. Now that the lip glaze has set, again, we're going to do another transfer test. So, just so you guys can really see na nagkikiss ako, ito yung transfer. I don't know how to make you guys see properly. Dito ako nagkiss. Ayan, you can see it better a little bit. Nag-transfer ng onte. Actually, wala. There's little to no transfer. Mostly on my inner lip because lipstick, as per usual, has a hard time setting in that area. But ayan, nag-transfer yung gloss, but there is still a little bit of gloss left over on the lips, and so far, hindi nagbabudge yung color, which is, I think, what's going to be important. Honestly, I'm not that big of a transfer-proof girl. I know some of you find it important, but ako, not really. I don't mind retouching throughout the day, but I'm doing this just so you guys can tell that their claims are true. Pinunasan ko lang, and I'm going to do another one, just to ease your minds. Again, ito yung transfer. Some bits and pieces on the inner lip area, but wala naman masyadong umalaw on my lips. And I'm going to come near just so you guys can see better. Ito yung itsura niya on the lips. I would say most of the gloss has transferred, but still, my lips look dewy and there is still a little bit of gloss bouncing back on my lips. I don't really have to do this, but nakita ko sa mga listings nila because I do occasionally check kung ano yung mga binibenta nila sa focallure. I saw in one of their listings that they're selling the Transfer Proof Hero Matte Lipstick and the Glaze Shine Lipstick as a set. And they're advertising that you can use them as an ombre lip, which kind of makes sense kasi may mga nudish colors dito which are more plain, more subdued, whereas the Glaze Shine Lip piece has more shades na leaning pinkish. So I'm going to try to make an ombre lip duo out of that. And this is the shade NU02. I swatched it in my previous video. Check it out right here. I'm going to put that all over the lip. I think this would work kasi this is a more nudish color. Kung kita nyo yan, ganyan yung effect niya sa lips. I love na sobrang creamy na ito, honestly. And I assume na I have to let this dry down first before I put on the other one. So, yeah. Now let's put PK04. I feel like this is a better shade match. Going to put it sa inner lip. Love that combo. I love that. Can you see the vision? So this is the combo of NU02 and PK04 together. Ganda, diba? Like, it's giving slightly dewy. Like, it's giving thigh makeup in the best way possible. So that has been it for the review, unboxing, and swatches of the focallure Transfer Proof Lippies in celebration of their 10th anniversary. Again, thank you so much, focallure, for sending this over. I really appreciate it. Also, can we just talk about how, like, full circle this is? I started doing makeup, I think, more than 5 years ago here on YouTube. And focallure has been the first brand, actually, that ever sent me PR. At that moment, it felt so surreal. And now, it's, like, wild to me that I'm consistently working with them on making videos and advertisements. And it's like, this is such a full circle moment to me, honestly. I can't believe how far I've gotten and how involved focallure is in my content creation journey. I'm definitely thankful for them, and of course you guys too. So yeah, that's something that's really wild to think about, honestly. All in all, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like. And if you like me, make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. Make sure to follow me on TikTok because I post more content on there, and also I do makeup therapy lives. So with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!